Good morning, this is Robert Kaars Sijpesteijn bringing you this morning's market update. US political leaders reacted with anger on Tuesday to an EU decision to hit Apple with a record-breaking €13 billion tax penalty, setting the stage for possible US retribution and highlighting the volatile politics around international corporate tax issues. By ordering the world's richest company to pay Ireland a record €13 billion in back taxes, it's given the UK a chance to reinvent itself as a fiscal paradise for multinationals in a post-Brexit world. While the EU flexes its muscles, the UK is trying to work out how it can participate in the single market as an outsider. The 28-nation alliance may clash on a medley of issues, from budgets to immigration, but its executive arm is consistent about coming down hard on anything that smacks of state aid or unfair competition. Following the announcement, Apple stock dropped 92 cents to close on $105.90. Within the US indices, the US 500 dropped 6 points to close on 2,175.43. The US Tech 100 declined 22 points to close on 4,772.63, and the Wall Street dropped 55 points to close on 18,501. In the commodities sector, Iraq's Prime Minister Haider al-Abadi has thrown his weight behind plans for major oil producers to freeze production next month, verbally backing the attempt to boost prices even as Baghdad expands its own output. Mr. Abadi said Iraq, the second largest oil producer in OPEC, was with those looking to cap production, giving the strongest indication yet Iraq may consider joining the freeze, though stopping short of committing to participating. Oil prices have risen by more than 10% since plans for the talks were announced, as traders who were betting against the price have scrambled to buy back their positions. But analysts remain skeptical a deal will be reached, with the two-year-old price crash and crude glut seeing countries fighting for customers and raising output to try and maximize revenues. Brent crude dropped 71 cents yesterday to close on $48.70 a barrel, while gold declined $11.60 to close on $1,312.40. In Europe, the UK 100 remained almost unmoved, adding 0.7 points to close on 6,824.3, while the Germany 30 climbed 72 points to close on 10,646.5. In today's corporate news, the CBI's boss has said regulators must allow UK banks to become more competitive after the Brexit vote. Shares in Samsonite, the Hong Kong-listed luggage company, have risen after it posted a rise in first-half sales. Mondelez International has ditched its merger with the Hershey company. Bunzl, the cleaning producer supplier, announced today that its profits and revenue have risen, and it has completed 2 further acquisitions in Canada. And Nostrum Oil and Gas this morning said that revenues have fallen from its first half year results due to a slide in the price of Brent crude oil. Today's economic data in focus at 10 o'clock in Europe, unemployment rate figures from Eurostat are released, as well as consumer price index for August, and at 3 o'clock US pending home sales data for July are released. That's all for this morning's market update. Thank you and goodbye.